One tool that you can use to expand your search results is the AI Primo Research Assistant embedded in the library's catalog. What makes this AI tool different from asking a generative AI chatbot for sources is that all sources shown actually exist, and you can get the full text from our library or request that we find a PDF copy of a source and send it to you via email. One thing to note about the Primo Research Assistant is that physical items like print books, DVDs, etc. won't be included in your search results. Using the Primo Research Assistant in combination with a regular search within our library catalog can help you find new sources and discover different ways to think about your topic. To get there, start on the library's homepage, lib.uidaho.edu. Click Advanced Search next to the search bar, then click Research Assistant in the top navigation bar, and enter your Vandal username and password. If your computer screen is zoomed in, you might need to click the ellipses to access Research Assistant. Let's say we're interested in ad breaks in video streaming services. To find relevant sources, we can type our topic or question directly into the search box. For example, let's type, "What is the effectiveness of ad breaks in video streaming services?" and click the right arrow icon to search. Initially, Primo Research Assistant will identify the top 5 sources that appear relevant and will share an AI-generated overview of these sources. Click on any source, such as disruptive versus non-disruptive advertising in online streaming video services, to read the abstract. If you'd like to access the full text, click More Details and Request Options to be directed to our catalog. In this case, we don't have full text access to this article, but we can request a PDF copy be sent to us via email by navigating to the Get It from Other Locations section and clicking Get It. Let's navigate back to the Primo Research Assistant by clicking the appropriate tab in our browser. After viewing the initial 5 results, we can navigate to the Ask Your Next Research Question box, which nests your new question or topic within this current string. We can also navigate to the Sources section and click View More Results from your library search to see other sources that might be relevant. For example, if we navigate to page 2 of the results and click the impacts of ad skip option and ad time display on viewer response to in-stream video ads, the role of perceived control and reactance, we can navigate to the View Online section to access the full text. If the full text wasn't available right away, we could request a PDF copy from the Get It from Other Locations section of the page. Let's navigate back to the Primo Research Assistant by clicking the appropriate tab in our browser. All searches you conduct in the Primo Research Assistant are saved by default in the Research History section of the tool. This allows you to review topics or questions you searched for previously. But if you want to delete your history, simply navigate to the Research History section, hover over the question or topic string you want to delete, and click the trash can icon. When you're ready to research a new topic, click Start a New Topic. Remember, Primo Research Assistant, like all library resources, are tools that should be used in combination with each other. Searching for sources in multiple resources, such as in a library database, the library catalog, and Primo Research Assistant, helps you conduct a well-rounded exploration of your topic. If you have any questions about Primo Research Assistant, please reach out to the library at libref@uidaho.edu.